Hello, so I got 2 packets today, so I have to. From the envelope, it's obvious it's big. So it's right here. They changed the little thingy for the tracking number. So I'm gonna open this one first. It's like a huge envelope, and like half of the envelope feels empty. They're always easier to. So it's UBEAT. So I ordered some autographed UBEAT CDs for me and my friend. So it's going to be more than one here. Okay. So here's one. Oh, it's different than I thought it will. So here's AJ, here's Kevin, and Eli. His autograph it's supposed to be like a face. What happened here, Eli? Let me show you the other ones because I bought 3. Here's another one. And here's another one. What happened with Eli's autograph? It's just a circle or something? So, I don't know which one I'm keeping. All of them are the same, so. Let's open this one. So here's the CD. UBEAT. I really like this song though. My sister is like a Eli fan, so she really likes Eli. I'm gonna give her these pictures. really nice pictures. And this is different. So is this like a photo book? I never saw unboxing, so I have no idea how. Oh, so it's like that. Oh, this is interesting. Mini album repack. So these are like the lyrics. Credit. Like just passwords, I guess. I like these pictures. Oh, pink. We come in peace. It's so good and pink. I love his piercing. Like, not many idols have piercings, like in their faces. And I really like Eli's piercing. I'm a piercing lover. So, oh, there's something in the back. Eli thanks to Brave Sound, UBEAT, yes, a bunch of Korean. AJ, thanks to, yeah. There's more AJ. I like his smile. It's a really nice smile. Kevin. My bias. He's like not supposed to be part of UBEAT or something like that. I don't know. Okay, thanks to... Okay, English. Please support our first subunit group UBEAT. We are always grateful for our beautiful kismate. Thank you. Thank you, Kevin. Ulai. So, I didn't expect the city to be like this. It's different. Okay, try to put this inside. So this was UBEAT autographs. See this unboxing. Thanks for watching, and watch my other video. It's going to be shiny. Bye bye.